Donald Trump and his administration are buying even more Ethereum and they're staking it too. If you missed what happened yesterday, Donald Trump signed the executive order to make America the world capital of crypto. I'm going to follow on from this short clip. I'll play that if you haven't already seen it. And there's some very interesting rhetoric in this video. He doesn't say Bitcoin, he says crypto. And we know that he's buying a lot of Ethereum, actually $190 million worth at the moment. He's buying it, he's staking it, and he bought more just today. So in this video, I'm going to give you my price analysis prediction for Ethereum as we pump much higher as we're on this pivotal breakout point. Let's continue from this video. Guys, smash the like button and I'll be updating you on my new targets. And of course, by the way, my trades, my long positions. But first, let's see what Trump said yesterday and let's talk about it.
Yeah, this is the crypto EO. We're going to be forming an internal working group to make to make America the world capital in crypto.
No, he says crypto. There's no mention of Bitcoin.
Your leadership.
Which is really going up, right?
Absolutely.
Trump said, if you didn't hear it, that's really going up, right? Yeah, like your coin, Mr. Trump. That's pretty much it. He's signing the executive order. Shows the executive order. And he actually spoke at Davos yesterday, the big World Economic Forum conference in Switzerland, and said this.
Make the United States a manufacturing superpower and the world capital of artificial intelligence and crypto.
Crypto. He didn't mention Bitcoin. No doubt that Bitcoin is going to be a big part of what they're doing. But we need to talk about Ethereum. We know, well, at least those of you that follow me on my channel, I've been talking about the relationship between Ethereum and Bitcoin for a long time and how Ethereum is massively undervalued against Bitcoin. We'll talk about that near the end of the video. But first, let's talk about the critical and crucial price action, as on the daily chart, Ethereum is looking very good for a breakout. You can see we have the support, we have resistance, we have this nice W pattern forming, and there's some other very interesting chart action as well, which is best seen on this chart. So this is the weekly chart for Ethereum. This is what I like to call or refer to as Russian dolls in technical analysis. What do I mean? Well, on the weekly, we have this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which, by the way, has a bullish price target out of it, taking us up to about that $8,000 mark short term. I say short term, and I'm going to back that up with some historical data in a minute as well, but just to show you what I mean by the Russian doll theory. This is one head and shoulder pattern. This is actually part of an even bigger head and shoulders pattern that's been in the making for the last cycle. If I get rid of that head and shoulders pattern, you can see that the target for Ethereum is incredibly bullish. Look at this, guys. If you are looking for an asset with the best risk to reward ratio right now, the best political bet, the best economical bet, it's got to be Ethereum, where we have an upside target of about $15,000. Now, there's some other technicals as well before I'll show you the historical data, which is very interesting and suggests Ethereum's going to rally much, much higher. But let's talk about some other technicals, some other confluencing factors. For example, we have this very bullish parallel channel that we've been part of since June 2022. We're moving higher in this range, and it looks to me like this could continue at least into late this year, early 2026. Very, very bullish parallel channel. The bull market support resistance band is being well respected. Look at that lovely weekly bounce that we've got out of that $3,000 support level. This is why, or one of the reasons why I remain long. I'll keep these long positions open. My Ethereum trade's nothing crazy. I mean, I obviously hold a lot of spot Ethereum, but for some extra risk in a stage like this in the bull market, I've got a 5x leverage long trade using a platform like Weeks, I don't know the best pronunciation. It's a really good platform, really easy to use. You can use some leverage like Trump token 50x leverage, for example, which means I can use on this Ethereum trade 5 times more of my initial capital to make 5 times more profit, but it has risks as well. Of course, you could lose much greater amounts as well. But anyway, if anyone wants to trade futures, I have you covered in the link down below. Just beneath this video, you'll get some free crypto using that link. Deposit $200 as a minimum. You can deposit less, but I suggest to deposit at least $200 and you'll get $100 free in Trump token at the moment, which you can sell if you want, buy Ethereum, whatever you want to do, and it's no KYC. But what I want to uncover, in addition to this bull market support band, most importantly, like I mentioned, is this megaphone pattern forming the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. When you've got a pattern like this, it's going to break to the upside sooner or later, and we have everything else fueling it: technicals, price action, geopolitical, political, and it excuse me, it's looking very, very bullish indeed. You can see that it's also supported at a crucial fib level. If we do a fib extension from the bottom of the last dip in Ethereum Bitcoin and extend that up, you can see we're being supported by the last support level. Brilliant opportunity to transfer into Ethereum, open long Ethereum trades, buy Ethereum right now. That's why I'm holding nearly all my big crypto in Ethereum versus Bitcoin and Solana. And I have these trades open on Ethereum. I think the market is very good for these kind of altcoins at the moment as well. So Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink I think is going to do very well. Let me know in the comments what you're holding if you're bullish on Ethereum. I have other videos on Ethereum that I think you'd be interested to check out, like my Q1 price prediction. Very quickly and lastly, I wanted to talk about the Ethereum monthly returns. You can see that typically January, February, March are very good. We're going into February and look at the returns expected in February. Look at Q1 returns, so that's January to March. Historically, very, very good. We've only done 2% in bull market years like 2021, 160%, for example. 526% in 2017. Guys, if you're bullish on Ethereum right now, let me know in the comments, hitting the like button, sharing this video, and like I said, videos on screen now you can check out as well. Thanks for joining me. See you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.